Hey, what's going on? So we just had a natal reading, and this is actually one of the 15-minute free Astro Therapy sessions that I'm giving out, primarily to people on my YouTube, because YouTube is just my main bitch. I love it. And Kelsi was so kind afterwards. She was like, dang, like, can I like leave you a review somewhere? And I'm like, I don't even know really where, because I don't really have that happening. But I wanted to like, she wanted to leave this here. And what I'll do is, Kelsi, you mind if I give them a glance at your natal chart, just like at some of the like placements? Okay, cool.
Sure.
So we ran through this, and she had asked a question. As you can see, there's a lot of 8th house energy. There's a lot of 12th house energy. There's a tremendous amount of water, which means like, look, emotions can easily get trapped in the body if there's not fluidity or running streams of water. And all of this is just like a very divine placement with a lot of angelic support coming from behind the scenes, being 12th house. So when we did this reading, like the question was really like, how do I master the response that I have to the suffering that is just evident. And if you know 8th house, we're talking death. 12th house, we're talking isolation. 4th house, which is also I think somewhere in here, and Saturn, that's challenged. We're talking the roots and the ancestors. So it's like there's challenges with the roots and the ancestors. There's challenges with people dying in their life. There's challenges in the isolation that all of that also brings. And so I'm really happy to hear whatever she has to say, and I'm just gonna shut the hell up because now I think I'm talking too much.
Okay, I'm just gonna make this a little quick review because I really enjoyed my 15-minute section. It was awesome, even though it's just 15-20 minutes. Man, it was awesome. I gained so much insight and knowledge with myself, my purpose, understanding my birth chart. So this 15-minute session was amazing. If you guys want to check him out, I swear it would be worth it. It would be worth it. Thank you though. Thank you for everything.
Appreciate it. And then what I'll do, guys, for anybody watching this, I'm just gonna drop a link below. I'm gonna say thank you, and we're out of here.
All right. Peace.